kids! Let's learn how to write alphabets. If you are new, please subscribe our channel for more educational videos. Let's learn how to write the letter A. Slant down. Slant down. Across. A is for alligator. Alligator. The next letter is B. Pull down. Go to the top, around and in. Back to the middle and around again. B is for bee. Bee. Okay, let's move on to the next letter. The letter C. Pull back and around. C is for crab. Crab. Let's write the next letter. D. Pull down. Go back to the top and around. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. Let's do another one. Letter E. Pull down. Across at the top. Across in the middle. And across at the bottom. E is for elephant. Elephant. Letter F. Pull down. Across at the top. Across at the middle. F is for flamingo. Flamingo. Time to do the next letter. G. Around up. Pull back and across in. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. Next, we're going to learn the letter H. Pull down. Across. Pull down. H is for horse. course. The next letter is an easy one. It's the letter I. Pull down. I is for iguana. Iguana. Let's go to the next one. The letter J. Pull down, curve around. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. Let's do another one. Letter K. Pull down. Slant up. Slant down. K is for koala bear. Koala bear. Okay, time to learn the next letter. L. Pull down. Across. L is for ladybug. Ladybug. Okay, kiddos, let's jump to the next one. The letter M. Pull down. Slant down. Slant up. Pull down. M is for monkey. Monkey. Let's write the next letter. The letter N. Pull down. Slant down. Pull up. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. Letter O. Pull back around and close. O is for octopus. Octopus. Let's write the next one. Letter P. Pull down. Go to the top and around in. P is for panda. Panda. Can you guess the next one? Yes, you're right. Letter Q. Pull back and around. and slant down. Q is for Quetzal. Quetzal. Let's jump to the next one. The letter R. Pull down. Back to the top around in. And slant down. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Time for the next one. S. Pull back and around, down and back around. S is for sheep. Sheep. Next, we're going to learn the letter T. Pull down. A cross on the top. T is for toucan. Toucan. Let's move on to the next letter. The letter U. Pull down around and up. U is for Uriel. Uriel. The letter we're going to do next is the letter V. Slant down. Slant up. V is for vulture. Vulture. The next letter will be a cool one, the letter W. Slant down. Slant up. Slant down. Slant up. W is for worm. Worm. And the next letter is X. Slant down out. Slant down in. X is for Xenarthra. Xenarthra. Almost there. Letter Y. Slant down. Slant down. And pull down. Y is for yak. Yak. Finally, the last letter, the letter Z. A cross. Slant down. A cross. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Having fun, kids? Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next video. Thank you.